Hey everybody, how you doing today? Now this is a flashback video. Now, I bought this Win 3 1 year and a half ago. I've been using it, to be honest with you, not daily. Probably in the beginning I was playing with it daily basis, like for 4 months straight, like 4 months straight, just playing with every day, playing games and browsing and experimenting in this beautiful machine. And after that I started to play it twice a week, sometimes nowadays just once a week. Once I get a game I just put it on. So technically speaking, I'm not really killing it for 1 year and a half, probably just for 1 year, being brutalizing this machine, and then afterwards it's just slowly, you know, just from time to time I pick it up and play with it and do stuff, do updates and stuff like that. So I updated the firmware for 1.17 to 2.2. The firmware, there is a video on YouTube that shows you how to update the firmware, and it's actually doing really good so far. It's important to have the updates, guys. This is very important, especially for this machine. So we yet get the Windows 11. We don't have it. We're still waiting for Windows 11. This is the version of i7 1165. The 1179 actually has the Windows 11. In my case, my unit didn't get the Windows 11 yet. We're still waiting for GPD to bring it to this machine. Anyways, let's take a look at this machine so far. As you can see, the screen here, it looks good. It's okay. Still open up and closes, no issues at all. Now, what I did have issues with the triggers here. So this is the L2 and R2. So with the L2, if you can hear this, listen to this. So there is some kind of twist here. It's like if I just touch it. So it's not present here in R2. So R2 is tighter. But here it seems like it's a little bit loose. So maybe because I'm using it a lot, maybe I'm just clicking on it heavily. Maybe. I hope it's just my user case. It's not from the unit. Now with the L1, it seems okay. But again, R1 seems very tight. R2 is very tight. But with the L1, it seems a little bit, loose. A little bit. Now the second thing is that the analog stick here, as you can see, it's okay so far, but goes out. I don't know. Suddenly it went out. Like when I was playing. Let me just put it back, and I can just take it out and put it back anytime I want, and it's very playable. No issues at all. It's just maybe one time if I just pull it really strong, it's gonna come out, and yeah, that's one of the issues that I had. It's sudden thing. Maybe it's just need some a little bit of glue. I'm not sure actually if it's not broken. I mean, it's still here, but maybe just maybe need a little bit of a glue. Still functioning, no problem at all. And let's just start the machine and see if there is any juice. Yeah, there is. So yeah, the screen is still good. No issues at all, as you can see. It's IPS. Oh, this battery is very low now. It's gonna die. 8%. So the screen is still amazing. No problem at all. I'm still playing Elden Ring. I just used dropped a video playing Elden Ring and show you how actually to play it. It's really good. Oh, there you go. So the keyboard still working, lights still working. The typing is still good. So even if you click on Windows, so yeah, everything is working fine, guys. No issues at all. And this is what I like about this machine. Even after 1 year and a half, it still functions well. You just need to be careful. That's all. You just need to be careful, because this thing, I think, Maybe it's because of me. I busted this. I click it on hard and stuff like that. But yeah, I started to use the touch, the touch screen more than the analog just scrolling. It's the more that you use it, the faster it's gonna die. So I'm just using the touch screen just to navigate. It's really hard. I know it's a small screen, but still workable. You can do it. So yeah, in conclusion, I would say GPD Win 3 can survive 1 year and a half if, and only if you are very, very careful. Just be careful in using it, okay? This is no 4 months of use. To be honest with you, this shouldn't happen, okay? This it should stay with you at least like 1 year of a hardcore um, gaming, no problem at all. But yet again, we have PlayStation 5 controller dies within a month or two. Okay, so this, technically speaking, it survives more than PS5 controller. I mean, that's on Sony actually. They produced this thing, and you have to actually every 2 months to 3 months, if you're using PlayStation 5 and you're playing most likely it's gonna die with you and you have to get a new one. But yeah, GPD Win 3 is still rocking. Still playing with it. It's beautiful. The battery life is crazy. 15 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours of on the light use, probably light gaming. But still, the tough games still get you to 3-4 hours of like AAA games. But anyways, would I recommend you to buy this right now? I would say just wait, guys. I believe GPD is working on an updated version of this, the Win 3. There is a Win 4 with, for example, 7-inch screen or 6-inch screen, OLED screen, better for battery life. Let's just say the weight is getting lighter, because this is like 550 grams. It's heavy. I know it's a handheld, but it's still heavy. So if you can drop it to 350, maybe 450 grams, cut 100 grams, work with these quality control issues like the analog, fix them. I know they just dropped the Win Max 2. And to be honest with you, I'm not going to comment on the Win Max 2. I'll have a dedicated video for the Win Max 2. So stay tuned for this. But so far, guys, don't buy it, okay? It's expensive right now for what you get. I would actually wait for a version that is updated version, not just for the CPU. I mean for the hardware itself, updated version. And I would actually get a Ryzen 6800U. So I'll just wait for this machine, 6800U, and wait for the updated one. But for right now, if you can't get this, the only way I would advise you to buy this one is if the price is cut for 50%. Okay, if you get it like 50%, half the price, then I would say this is a deal. Other than that, it's not worth it, guys, really, considering how this thing comes out like in a sudden. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's just a quick one, and hopefully we're able to test other games later on and see what we can discover. And also, please, GPD, drop Windows 11 on this thing. Let me have fun. Take care, guys. See you in another video.